Hi, my name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman & Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law. Please subscribe to our channel. A lot of times the issue of PPO comes up, and there's various aspects of PPO. PPO meaning a personal protection order. Time frames could be important with respect to this also. When you get an ex parte PPO against you, you only have a limited time frame within which to do something about it. The PPO will tell you that if you want to object, you got to do so by a certain amount of time. Objecting doesn't mean that you call your friend and complain. It doesn't mean that you even call your lawyer and complain. It means that you hire your lawyer to file objections in a timely manner to the PPO. If you blow the time, you're really at risk of the court saying, I'm sorry, too bad, the PPO is in effect, it'll remain in effect for a year. Now, if you already don't get along with your ex, you're living in a different place, you live in South Dakota, she lives here, it doesn't really matter. Maybe it's not so terrible if there's an order keeping you away from each other for a year. On the flip side, it could be terrible. It could be terrible because maybe maybe you own a business together and having a PPO doesn't really work in terms of the business model. Maybe there's a child involved, and so that becomes complicated. Maybe you have a job that requires you to carry a firearm, which you cannot do with a PPO. So if those are the requirements and those are the restrictions, you're going to have to be very mindful of the fact that if you're going to do something about it, you got a very limited amount of time to take action. So if this happens, you need to immediately contact your lawyer, immediately make sure that proper objections are in place so that a hearing can be conducted to get you out of the burden of the personal protection order, get that order set aside. This is very, very important, and like I said, if you let the time go on it, it's likely that you'll be subject to the PPO for a very long time. If you or anybody you know has this kind of issue, call or have them call us, and we'll be glad to give guidance in this regard.